Online freelancing is just like dating. Ang katotohanan is that hindi laging yung pinakamaganda o yung pinakagwapo ang laging nananalo. Kasi minsan, ang nananalo is yung pinaka may dating. So, ganun din sa freelancing. It's really about how you position yourself to be the best candidate even though you might not be the best. Or, if you're already the best freelancer, how do you position yourself para ikaw yung piliin ng client? And today, in this video, there's a sneaky way for you to position yourself as the best freelancer for the job, and I'm gonna teach you exactly what it is and how you can start using it and getting clients today. So if you're ready, grab your pen, grab your notebook, and let's jump in. A lot of freelancers think that clients always choose the best candidates, but that's not necessarily true. So clients like myself, when we're looking for candidates, ultimately what we look for is the one that convinces us. We're still human, right? And we still try to find the person that convinces us the most that they are able to get the job done. And this is where your positioning comes in. Now, there's 3 mistakes that freelancers typically do that keep them from positioning themselves as the best candidate. Number 1, freelancers undersell themselves. So even if you have a lot of good expertise, a lot of good metrics, a lot of case studies that you've done for previous clients, what most freelancers do is they just give out a generic reply on what they've done and not really showcasing their results. Number 2, some freelancers sound too generic. Going back to that first point, if you've done some good work with clients that's improved KPIs that matter to the clients, then that's what you should be featuring. That's what you should be leading in with. Big mistake, freelancers stay generic. I'm a social media manager, I'm a graphics designer, I'm a video editor. But what if you're a video editor for consulting companies? What if you're a social media manager for SaaS companies or startups or consultants or real estate? So the more you specify and showcase your strengths in your previous work, the more you're able to stand out. Number 3, some freelancers don't position themselves as a valuable asset. What do I mean by this? Again, sorry for the noise. Pop, 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 pop. Motorcycle noise, hammering noise. Pop, 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 bada, brum, ba, bum. All right. So some freelancers don't position themselves as a valuable asset. And I think it goes down to self-worth, how you see yourself. If you don't see yourself as a valuable asset, you're not able to position yourself as a valuable asset. So again, review the work you've done, see what the KPIs, the improvements, the metrics you've done for clients, and then really showcase that work. So if you want to be seen as the best freelancer, you should use this magic phrase. In my experience working with a similar project, I found that insert insight can make a big difference. Would you like me to apply that here? So this sentence does 3 things. Let's break it down. Number 1, it subtly implies expertise. So the words "in my experience," that gives an idea to the client that you have experience and that you've worked on something similar in the past. Number 2, it shows that you're a problem solver. And this is represented by the words "I found that." I found that, right? Because again, clients are looking for problem solvers. What a client wants is somebody to take on the problems they have so they don't have to deal with it, and then somebody reliable enough to think and then solve the problems, assisting the client. The line "I found that" showcases that you are testing things, improving things, and that you're a problem solver that can be a valuable team member to their company. And number 3, it makes clients visualize already working with you, right? So the line "would you like me to apply that here" makes the clients imagine them already taking on the benefits of your services. So quick recap. 1, it subtly implies your expertise. Number 2, it shows you're a problem solver. And number 3, it makes the client visualize working with you. All right, so what this does, it makes the client think, oh, this freelancer's already been there before. They know what they're doing. And just like that, you're ahead of 90% of the rest of the applicants, the other freelancers that are just sending these boring introductions, applications, and resumes. Awesome. Let's take it to the real world. Let's say you're applying as a social media manager. Now, most freelancers, they would say something like this. Hi, client. I can manage your social media and post and then create graphics for your pages. A client typically scrolls past that, ignore. A good example, instead, what you can do is say something like, hi, Mr. Client. In my experience working on similar social media projects, I've noticed that adding a story hook in the first few seconds of the video can increase engagement by up to 35%. Would you like me to apply that in here too? So here's the big difference. Instead of just simply applying for the job, you're actually showing and telling clients that you've already done it, and then you're ready to help them out with that experience that you have. That makes the biggest difference. All right, so challenge time. What I'd like you to do, take a look at your proposal, right? And then start using this line. Customize your proposal, add a line that addresses something specific on the job description, and then add your idea on how you can improve something about it, and then ask them if they would like you to apply the same strategy. And let me know if that custom magic phrase works for you in improving your reply rates with clients. Drop them in the comments below, drop your results. Let's take a look at them. I read them all the time. I'll read all of them, and then maybe I'll react to the best ones. All right, but hold up. What if the client doesn't respond? What if you send your custom proposal and then you still get crickets? So check it out. In the next video, I'm gonna show you how to send the next secret follow-up message strategy in order for you to get clients that might have ghosted you back into your inbox. That video should be somewhere here. If not, subscribe, and then it should be coming up next week. And here's the last question for you. Have you ever had a proposal that got ignored? What do you think went wrong? Tell us what went wrong. Let me know what went wrong. Drop your thoughts below. We'll read the comments and we'll reply to them. So with that said, thanks again for hanging out. See you on the next one.